think the biggest attraction for us for organizing this summit was that nobody has been talking about how social media has been empowering. Everybody has been talking social media marketing, social media this, that, everything. But social media as an empowerment tool in terms of advocacy, in terms of empowerment of citizen, in terms of governance, in terms of grassroots organizations and issues. There's so many issues.
It's a great way to get a dialogue going among people who are interested, also so that their voices can reach people who are not so concerned about the medium just yet, right? We're talking, new ideas are coming out, new conversations are happening, new introductions are happening. So you're in a way bridging the online and the offline.
It's where all the young people are. It's where the conversations are. It's where we plug in our petitions. It's where we plug in sources of action and information for a lot of young people who basically want to figure out how is it that they want to engage with issues, how is it that they want to talk to legislators, lawmakers, the political executive, or even the bureaucratic executive.
Social media is a great leveler in terms of everybody has a voice and everybody's voice it gets counted. There are no filters or barriers.
This new technology actually provide a forum for the citizens to be more informed about their choices, and more informed in terms of how do they engage with their elected officials and their leaders.
On one side you have the oldest democracy from which we have a lot to learn, and on the other side you have the largest democracy, noisy, which the Americans have a lot to learn from. Two large democracies coming together on a platform that is so futuristic as social media. I think it will create magic.